In today's episode of Tony's Fords and Mustangs, we're going to try to take this set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs. These are tires that had the issue where the letters turn brown, and turn them into new tires. But I'm going to try to do it under warranty for free. You see, BF Goodrich came out with a warranty on these for aesthetic reasons. I'm going to give you the date codes. I have it written down here. So the first week of 2014 through the 25th week of 2020, these are the tires that are affected by this. And these are the tires that BF Goodrich, which is now owned by Michelin, are going to warranty. I received an email from a subscriber about this, and I'm going to pursue it. Maybe it's something you want to look at as well. My tires are approximately 6 years old. I try to replace my tires every 10 years. I don't let them go longer than that. So step one is to call Michelin. I'm going to put an 800 number up there. You can call them, open a case. Step two is to take your tires to a dealer. Now you can do that on the car. I prefer to take them off the car. I'm going to a local dealer. They're going to have to assess what the tread life is and then come up with a number. If I see anything over 75%, I'm going to replace these tires. Now I know what you're thinking. These white letters look pretty good, but I've been painting these with a Sharpie paint pen. That's not ideal. That's not something I want to do. If you get close, it doesn't, and I'll put you in here so you can see. These aren't perfect. They look okay, but you can tell if you look that I painted them. I'm also going to show you where you can look for your date code. So if you go over here to the DOT number and then look, and I'm going to spin you around here. The last four digits there are the week, which mine's 01. 17 would be the year of manufacture. So you look at the last four digits. This DOT number is real long. But go to the last four digits, and that'll give you the week and the year. I'm going to throw up the affected date range again on the screen so you can see it, and also the letter from Michelin, so you know where to call. So I hope you follow along. This is the time to place your bets. Am I going to get free tires just for the cost of mounting and balancing? Are they going to try to give me half off on a new set? Where are we going to fall at? So I'll fill you in here. I'm going over to the dealer now. Wish me luck. Yes? Yes? Why, that sounds fantastic. Perfect. Thank you very much. Now that was done for dramatic effect. I did hear back from BF Goodrich. They're not going to give me 75% for my tires. They're going to give me 100% for my tires. That's fantastic. That means I buy new BF Goodrich Radial TAs. I need to send them a receipt. The receipt needs to show a couple of things, and I'm going to toss that up on the screen. But once that's done, they'll reimburse me 100% for these tires. Now keep in mind, my tires are 6 years old and have about 3,500 to 4,000 miles on them. To me, that's a great deal. I had swore off BF Goodrich in the past. I swore I was going to go to Cooper's because of this issue. But if you're going to stand behind your product like this, how can you not give them another shot? They tell me the issue's been resolved, it's been squared away. I'm going to get free tires out of it. Now I do need to pay for mounting and balancing, but that seems pretty fair. So there's the news. I think you have everything you need to pursue this. I'm going to throw everything up on the screen just one more time for you. Hit the pause button, do what you need to do there. But best of luck to you. This is the end of the brown letter tire issues with BF Goodrich Radial TAs. And I, for one, am glad to not have to use a Sharpie pen again. If you'd like to see what it's like to drive this puppy right here, I'm going to throw a video up right here. But it's a review of my drive with this car, and I'm very honest about what it's like to own a 50-plus-year-old muscle car. But check that thing out. Oh, and hit that subscribe button. That would certainly be appreciated. So thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you.